Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to fold a simple rose with my new twist. Here at Heap, we're trying to encourage people to communicate more using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. About 2 weeks ago, I stumbled across the simple rose. The piece was really beautiful, and I really wanted to learn how to fold it. I searched online and I learned how to fold it, and afterwards I realized that with the model in my hand, two of the petals were different from the others. The model was not symmetrical at all. For some odd reason, this really annoyed me. Afterwards, unable to help myself, I decided to see if I could make the simple rose better. I started off by making the petals symmetrical, and this is the solution I came up with. I hope you like it. Please give it a try. This is going to be slightly different from my usual clips. I'm going to narrate a little bit until the end, just to make sure it's clear. To begin, we start with a water bomb base. With the water bomb base, we're going to start folding the first petal. Up to here, it's still the same as the simple rose. All you have to do is fold one end to the center and then hold down and squash fold until you get a square. Then you turn the model over and repeat the same steps. Notice that I only did it on one side of the water bomb base. On the original simple rose, you would have done it on both sides. Then you turn the two flaps of the water bomb base and repeat the same steps to form the remaining two petals. So once again, you fold up, and then you fold down, and squash fold until you get a square. Now turn the model over and repeat. When you're done forming the four petals, you should have one petal for each face of the water bomb base. This is different from the original simple rose because the original simple rose has two petals for one of the faces. Now the next step is a little bit more complicating. It's implementing a pseudo twist fold, but by manipulating the bottom of the rose. This is achieved by folding the square on the side without the petal diagonally in half so the bottom edge meets the side edge. This is going to be folded from the tip until the center of the piece. You'll need to repeat this step for the remaining sides of the flower. Once you're done and you're looking from the bottom of the flower, you'll see that the flaps are forming some kind of ninja star or pinwheel. This is different from the original simple rose, where you only get the triangles from the squash fold, and only two of those triangles are usable as petals. With this new twist fold I added, there's 4 new petals that you can use to curl and make our rose prettier. Once we're done curling this new set of petals, we can start curling the 4 petals of our flower. One thing we need to notice is that because it's symmetrical now, the petals are more intact and less likely to fall apart. After we're done curling all the petals, it's time to twist our rose into shape. You do this by using 4 toothpicks. We are going to use the toothpicks to hold the petals in the center and start twisting. But if you don't have toothpicks, you use your fingers. We are going to twist in the directions of the curl that was generated by the pseudo twist fold. Once you can no longer twist, we're done. And remove the toothpicks and our flower is complete. I hope you guys like my new version of the simple rose, even though it's no longer that simple anymore. But in the end, I'm happy with the results and I really enjoyed the process. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Click left for more paper airplanes, click right for more awesome origami like this.